Ayun, buti na lang ang produkto namin na Bomanite Decorative Concrete, lalong-lalo na stamp concrete, madaling ma-install in such a short time. Alam mo, pag gumagawa kami kuminsan, nakaka 100 square meters kami a day. And saktong-sakto tong size na to that we are able to do preparation, pouring at finishing in just less than 3 days.
If you notice the house, it already had a silong. A silong is a storage area for all houses before. That's the bottom part of the house. We have the upper ground level, which is the main living area, and the silong is the storage slash parking area before for mga karitela. So with this house, we wanted to give them an outdoor area. If you can see the house, there's a big lawn in front. So why not make use of that silong as a hangout place or a general area, entertainment place? So we tried to come up with a concept making use of the existing materials that we took out from the old house and repurposed it, like for wall cladding, ceiling, and other wall accents for the silong area.
Meron tayong systems na mga sinunod. Kung normal na tao na gagamitin natin sa construction, 10 to 15 workers, ginawa nating 30 workers. Tapos kung ang normal na construction time natin is 8 to 5, ngayon hanggang alas 12 tayo. Pag mabibitin pa rin tayo, meron pa rin tayong dual shift. Magpapalit tayo ng shift ng tao, kahit madaling araw gagawa tayo. Basta hindi natin nako-compromise ang safety, hindi natin nako-compromise yung quality, pwede natin gawin yun.
Actually, nung unang tinawagan ako ni Fred, ang sabi niya sa akin, Ninong. Sabi ko, ano bang Ninong yan? May bago bang anak si Fred? Sabi ko, ang bilis naman parang wala naman ako nababalitaan. Pero doon ko na-realize, yung ninong pala na yun ay magninong at tumulong para sa kanyang project na Familia Makeover.
First place, kaya natin tinanggap yung project na to is yung makatulong tayo sa kapwa natin kasi may purpose yung project na to. Kumbaga, it's a complete system ng nagtutulungan na supplier, contractor, architects, tsaka yung team ng production para mabuo yung project natin para makapagbigay dun sa pinagre-renovate natin na bahay.
So overall, masasabi niyo engineer na kayang-kaya naman natin to?
Teka lang, alis na ako.